Alright, Tech Vibe crew, if you've thought DJI had already pushed the compact drone envelope with the Mini 4 Pro, hold on to your hats, because what's next might change everything. We're talking about the DJI Mini 5 Pro, the rumored successor that's generating serious buzz among drone fans right now. It looks set to bring features usually reserved for larger, heavier rigs into a package you can slip into a travel bag. Let's start with the camera. Leaks point to a 1-inch image sensor, a leap from the Mini 4's 1/1.3-inch chip. That larger sensor means cleaner low-light shots, better dynamic range, and even some cinematic depth of field. Some whisper 4K at 120 frames per second, maybe even up to 5.3K or vertical video modes, making this a serious creative tool for filmmakers and Instagrammers alike. Obstacle avoidance is rumored to be taken to the next level with LiDAR and dual front-facing sensors, something unthinkable for mini-series drones until now. Imagine better auto-follow performance and safer flights at dusk or in cluttered environments. There's talk of full 360-degree omnidirectional sensing, too, meaning it could fly with the kind of confidence you typically only get from DJI's Air or Mavic lines. In the battery department, things look promising. Expect a bigger battery, possibly up to 33.5 Wh, pushing 50 minutes of flight time. That's basically double what the Mini 4 Pro offered. For serious creators or long outings, that's a game changer. And paired with extended OcuSync transmission, rumors say up to 25 kilometers, this might let you explore further with less stress. What's remarkable is that despite all these upgrades, LiDAR, larger sensor, more juicy, DJI is rumored to have managed to keep it sub 250 grams, keeping it legal for the easiest flying in many countries. That's no small feat and what makes this drone so exciting for hobbyists and pros alike. There's also speculation about practical design updates, precision landing sensors, LED ground lighting, and maybe a tilt or vertical gimbal for quick social clips. Plus, the leak hints at backwards compatibility with older batteries and accessories, which is great news if you're already invested in DJI's system. Price-wise, expectations are that DJI will position the Mini 5 Pro at a premium layer above the Mini 4, ideally around €1,100 for the Fly More combo, making it aggressive value for what appears to be a serious leap forward. And if these rumors hold true, DJI is about to turn the sub-250G drone market on its head. As one reviewer put it, it's not just fun tech, it's a smart, balanced tool for content creators, travelers, and aerial filmmakers alike. Community voices echo that excitement too. With a 1-inch sensor, it would be a shame not to upgrade, think cinematic shots with better low-light performance. Built-in audio recording or quieter motors. Yes, this could finally be the Mini we've been waiting for. But let's keep perspective, none of this is confirmed. DJI hasn't made an announcement, and the latest leaks suggest we might see the Mini 5 Pro in September 2025. That timing could make it a top contender heading into the holiday season. In short, if you're tired of the limitations in the Mini 4 and want more creative freedom in a pocketable frame, the Mini 5 Pro could be the best lightweight drone DJI has ever made.